Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Locate the LAN ports on the Geo router and pick a good Cat5e or Cat6 cable. Once done, power on the router and the device you'll connect, because link negotiation needs both ends active. Now plug one RJ45 end firmly into any numbered LAN port on the Geo router and hold the clip so it snaps. Make sure the cable runs straight without sharp bends. This prevents connector strain and keeps the link reliable. Once the cable is seated, watch the router's LAN LED to confirm a physical link. Green or amber blinking indicates negotiation. You should then configure your device. Set the network adapter to obtain IP automatically via DHCP so the router assigns address, gateway, and DNS. If the device keeps using Wi-Fi, temporarily disable wireless to ensure traffic flows over Ethernet. This also helps you verify speed and stability. Tighten the clip and tidy the cable to avoid accidental unplugging while testing. You're at the finish line. Confirm connectivity by opening a web page or pinging 888 and check the router's admin interface to see the device listed with an IP. If the link works, run a speed test to validate expected performance. If nothing happens, make sure LEDs show link, then swap cables and try another LAN port, reboot the router, and restart your device. Key tip: if still down, test the cable with another known good device to isolate router versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.